Professor, most of the teachers of my school, my outgoing brothers and sisters, and all the students present here. Myself, Meisha Noor, reading in class 4. I want to say farewells on behalf of my class. Today is the formal meeting of class 10 and 12. This day is very much important for student life. My other brothers and sisters have finished the high school course and higher secondary course. Now they will appear the high school leaving certificate and higher secondary leaving certificate examination. I hope and pray that each and everyone will show a bright and brilliant result in the final examination. Also pray to the Almighty Allah that each and everyone aim in life should be fulfilled. Now I want to say a few words about my elder brothers and sisters. My every elders have all the good qualities. They are studious, punctual, obedient. All our elders are role model for us. I also appeal to our elders for pardoning us if we have committed any mistake toward you. Finally, I am going to conclude my speech with a famous shairi of Allama Iqbal. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर लिखने से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी राज़ा क्या है. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mahisha Tabas. Give a big round of applause for her. Incredible speech. Once again, Mahisha impressed us all by her speech. Thank you so much. We all wish her bright future. Now, next for from the junior student side, I would like to invite Mariam Tamanna Anam from class 8.